This is a $300,000 piano, and this is a $30 piano. And today we're going to go through the full range of pianos to find which is worth their price, starting with the $30 piano. Not bad. Usable. There's no $300 piano, so we're using a $3,000 piano.
Yeah, that was not bad. The feel was pretty good, I would say.
Yeah, $3,000 though.
Yeah, it's a little pricey, but you know.
Pricey? Wait until you see the next one.
That was only 2 out of the 5 pianos. Stick around for the last pianos, which cost over $300,000, and we'll have a special guest performing on them.
Now a $30,000 piano, but we're not $30,000 pianists, right?
Yes, not.
So we invited a concert pianist to help us test this piano.
Okay. Let's see. This piano is good.
Okay.
I like it. I mean, the texture, the touch, and the tone is really good.
So $30,000 is like usually out of the price range of a normal person.
It is.
But is it good enough?
I think so. I like it. Yamaha is always good.
Okay.
Yeah.
But is it worth its price? We'll find out as we compare this to our next $300,000
Yes,
piano.
let's do that.
But we're going to be comparing two $300,000 pianos. A designer one and a concert piano right after. This is more of a designer piano. You can see it has like paintings on it and it's red.
Yeah,
Yes.
bright color.
Start with the best.
What? I just caught that.
I wish there was more like bass range.
More bass range? What do you mean, extend the keyboard?
Like I want the bass to be boomier, which you'll find in the concert grind. Okay, here you try. But I mean, this is beautiful. Look at this. Like if you play something really
Yeah.
nice and you have this image to look at,
It's fantastic.
it's such a vibe. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it. I really like the feel for this
How's
one.
the feel, the sound, the vibe?
The sound, honestly, I feel like there is a good amount of bass.
There is
Bass
a
in
good
this
amount of
one.
bass?
Yeah, I can feel like the boominess a little
Okay.
bit. And the feel is really nice. It's really easy to just like sort of glide across the
Uh-huh.
keys. And yeah, looking at this picture is pretty cool.
My favorite part is the picture.
Yeah, right?
Imagine just
It's like
play
very-
like that. What should I play? I have no clue what to play, but like, let's try.
I feel like the keys aren't
I don't-
generating all of the power
Yeah,
you're
they're
putting in,
not.
right?
And also not coming back. I don't know why. Like, it's a little.
This is really interesting. You have to come close up on this. Come close up on your hands. You can see that there's a delay. Like,
Yeah, there's like a
when you're trying
delay.
to press down, it's like just reaching back.
What is this song?
I don't know.
Oh, this is better, but you can see that there's like.
But it's like
yeah.
not
it could
bouncing
come
back.
after, and she's
Right,
losing
right.
a little bit of power.
Yeah.
Oh,
Interesting.
that's interesting.
Yeah.
Something we would have never heard.
Yeah, because I don't think you play fast enough to notice that.
Yeah.
But I mean, one big selling point of this piano is that
come
it
on,
is
this
limited
design,
edition,
guys.
right? This is an art piece.
Yeah.
So that was the artistic $300,000 piano. But will she be satisfied with the concert grand $300,000 piano? All right. I mean, people play competitions on this. You're a competition player, so
Yes.
hopefully 1 + 1 = 2 here. But first, what happens when a non-competition player plays on a competition piano? Stop fidgeting.
Sorry. It's my heels. I should take it off. No.
it's
It's
your
totally my.
heels?
Sorry. I should totally take them off. I can take them off.
Judging you.
No. Oh my god.
So much boomier. This is what I was talking about in terms of like
The ring.
this
Yeah.
bass versus that bass.
Interesting.
But this one, I feel like that one. I feel like when I press the bass, I'm getting like 15% less than what I'm pressing. Well,
work, yeah.
before Tianyu tries it, Jack will try it.
All right.
You know what I see when I see your fingers?
What?
It looks like the keys are too heavy for you.
Do you think that's too weak to press them down?
Yeah, I do. It looks like you're struggling to press down the keys.
I mean, it's definitely a little.
Is it what
Yeah.
that looks like?
It is heavy. It's a 9-key
heavier.
piano. It is
Yeah.
heavier.
Yeah,
I might
yeah.
have the same problem. We'll see.
I think it's pretty good. I mean, it's a good feel. I actually kind of prefer that one a little more. And yeah, like you said, it is like this one is a little bit hard to press down for me than compared to that one.
For
But they're both
her,
great.
that one was like probably the keys are a little too light, a little bit, right?
Yeah, it just doesn't bounce back.
Yeah, maybe
I
it's
wonder if
perfect.
this one will be the right
Yeah.
one for you. All right,
Yeah.
let's find out.
I'm gonna move this down.
She doesn't
Let's
need
see.
music sheets.
No, hold on. No,
there's
there
no
was
music
no
sheets on
music.
here
Okay,
anymore.
I want to try.
We need to look at the pictures.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
No, you don't need it.
No,
we
no,
needed
no, 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 no.
inspiration from their faces to be better pianists.
Hi. I mean, it definitely has a very big
big,
sound,
yeah.
but we can repeat what I just played on the other piano. Yeah, I love it.
It's a lot fuller. I think it sounds
It's
a lot
like-
fuller compared to the but
Also, you don't see
Yeah.
that delay that was.
Yeah, you don't.
happening
Let's
on
see.
the- It's coming back
Oh,
pretty
every
fast.
note is here.
Yeah, it's
Listen.
back before she hits the next one.
it sounds like that. It's that thing you hear in Italy or something, right?
Yes, yeah, wow.
Yeah.
Well, can I take this home?
Yeah, if you pay
Yeah, I love it.
330K.
Yes. Let's not look at that.
So let's first go through each of the pianos on which we think are worth their price, and then we're each going to choose one piano that's the best value for us. You know? Okay, so first, the $30 piano. Yeah, actually not bad. I would buy it.
I mean, for $30,
You can play around.
I probably still wouldn't buy it. I have no use for it. I don't know what I would use it for.
The $3,000 one, it's good, but it's not cheap.
Yeah.
$3,000? $30,000 one, I don't know, I didn't try.
It's great. I feel like if it's like the price, if it goes down just a tallow, it would be better.
We gotta negotiate the price.
Let's negotiate the price.
The
yeah.
$300,000 designer one, this one I think it's 100% worth the price.
Yeah.
Because when you're buying art, price doesn't actually matter.
Yes.
So this one is super worth it for me. What about you
Yeah, I
guys?
would definitely get this one. I think if I had the money, I would definitely get it. I would definitely.
But if we move on to the $300,000 concert grand, this is kind of different from this in my
Yeah,
opinion.
very,
Because
very
art, you can spend endless amount of money on. But for a performance piano that you need to actually be good on, then that actually has less value for me because I'm not that good. So which piano is the most worth its price for us? For me, it's this $300,000 designer Fazioli. I mean, like, art is art. The rest of it, piano, like, I just get an okay piano player good enough for me. What is it for you?
Yeah. More so for the feel, though. I mean, I love the art too, but I really enjoyed the feel for this one.
But you would pay $300K just for a feel of
If
a
I
piano?
had that money, yes. If I had that kind of money to spend, I think it's worth it for me.
If you had that money, you could also buy $10,000, $30,000 pianos.
And what would I do with 10 of them?
Well, if you gotta imagine, if you have $300K, you could also buy other stuff. You don't have to buy a piano. All right, Tianyu.
Me, I'm gonna go with the concert grand.
Concert grand.
Can't help it, but hello.
There we go.
Home with me. I love it. Can I take this home?
Those are the pianos most worth their price. Comment down below which piano you think is worth its price.